This video shows an overview of the EQ and filter effects in Cubase. Refer to the help files for detailed descriptions of the adjustable parameters. Remember, each parameter can be automated. Refer to the Cubase help file 5 for an automation review. Equalization, or EQ, uses filters to attenuate or boost specified frequencies of a sound. DJ EQ is a 3-band parametric equalizer. There are low, mid, and high frequency bands across the top. There are switches along the bottom to activate and deactivate each band. You can also drag the points to increase or attenuate the decibel value of the filter. Use shift-click to adjust the parameters in smaller increments. Use Control or Command-click to set the parameter back to 0. You can also click the gain values at the bottom to increase or attenuate the filters. Now let's load several different presets to hear how DJ EQ settings affect the overall sound. Refer to the help file for detailed descriptions on each parameter. Let's listen to the audio file before we add processing. Now we can load different presets to hear how they affect the overall sound. We can automate many of the parameters in DJ EQ as well. Here are the automatable parameters. You'll select one, enable write automation, enable playback, and make your adjustments. Filters use EQ to alter sounds and add distinctive characteristics to a sound. For example, we can liven up synthesized sounds or boost the bass to produce a fuller sound. The dual filter allows us to filter out certain frequencies while allowing others to pass through. Refer to the help file for detailed descriptions on each parameter. Position sets the filter cutoff frequency. Negative values create a low-pass filter. Positive values create a high-pass filter. The resonance sets the sound characteristic of the filter. Higher values will produce a more resonant sound. This is an example of a high-pass filter. When you listen, notice how the high frequencies are passed through. This is an example of a low-pass filter. As you listen, notice how the low frequencies are passed through. We can make adjustments in real time as well. Like the other effects, there are several presets. The morph filter allows us to use low pass, high pass, band pass, and band reduction filters. The controls allow us to morph between two different filters. The top and bottom controls allow us to choose filter shapes for the high pass and low pass, band reduction, and band pass filters. If you hover, you can see which is which. The top slider controls resonance. The bottom slider controls the cutoff frequency. The right fader allows us to morph between two different filters. Basically, it allows us to crossfade the cutoff frequencies. Remember, you can automate any of these parameters using the automation tools. Be sure to enable write automation and enable playback to record your motions. Refer to the help file for detailed descriptions on each parameter. Play with the settings until you get a sound that you like. You can adjust the frequency cutoff below. I can adjust the resonance above. I can change the type of filter using these preset buttons. And now I'm going to morph between the top and bottom filters.